My name is Dominic DeParent. I go to Fredericton High School, FHS. It's about 2 hours away from here. And the whole project started. I am in a co-op course, and I started working with my one of my teachers. This arcade cabinet, pretty much just the shell, was sitting in the room. It was broken down, nothing worked, and so I took it upon myself to make it work. I fixed all the controls. I made a new control panel. I beefed up the RetroPie and made the monitor actually work. Into the whole thing, I put vinyl decals on it, and I made the controls work, which was a big thing. That was a big thing we were troubleshooting. And now it's actually working, and we're just testing it here to make sure everything is fine and, everything's going all right so far. Nobody needs to pay for it. It's just hey, come up and try it. The most challenging part, I think you have to be wiring up the controls. That was one big thing, mainly because the board that's hooked up to the RetroPie, the original people who built it did it really weird. So the wires would have to go in and have an input, and I would go then. But there were a lot of dead ports that did not have an input, so having to figure all those out and having to wire everything took a couple of weeks, but finally managed to get everything working. Every button press actually does something now, which is amazing.